Hi, this is Patrick Loader with MarineMax. Today we're checking out this beautiful new listing. It's a 2022 Aviara, the AV36. So here on the transom of the boat, you're seeing here a what they call as a stadium seating. So this is great. Like if you do a lot of sandbar, kind of anchoring up, hanging out, great for fireworks. But you can see where you have access to walk behind the chairs here. This will also fold back down to a sun pad, and then the backrest here will then fold down as well. You walk through the boat now in the cockpit. This has the gray sea deck, beautiful U-shaped seating, cup holders every which way, and this is the ultimate kind of dock and dine, sandbar, kind of just cruising around type of boat for you. We have over here, you have a nice wet bar counter area. It's got a few items in there, some gear in there as well. Very easy access walking around. Also has a big sun pad for the front of the boat. Here is your refrigerator, twin. Great thing, great prep area as well. Nice fiberglass hardtop with aluminum grates for your speakers. White interior, again with the gray flooring on the sea deck. Nice helm up here, so this has the gray tint on the dash, so this way it's not blinding you. Here's your electronics up here at the dash. Nice Garmin unit, Simrad vessel view there. Joystick. This also is digital throttle and shift. This boat is also powered with triple Mercury 300 Verados with the upgraded white, so she runs up real nice. Owner is relocating, so this boat has been gently used. It's been serviced at the dealer here in MarineMax in Long Beach Island. Great walkthrough up here in the front. Very deep hull too on your freeboard, so this way I give you that peace of mind if you want to go outside in the ocean, kind of tooling around. Again with the wraparound seating up here in the front. You have your table base. This also will have a windlass up here. Also can operate with the remote. It's a two-tone blue and white hull. Great walk through here. You have the fold down seats right here in the front, aka as a thigh-rise seating. Okay. So your ignition's underneath there. Nice shot down here of the head compartment. Has a magnet that holds the door open, which is great. It's also can be set up as a little lounger, so you can kind of take a nap. Like if up here in the Northeast, if you're going to like Atlantic City or something, you can kind of do like an overnight for two people. That's your power. Has a vacuum flush system in here. Very tall, easy. Same thing again too as you're coming out. You have plenty of headroom in here. Great setup coming up. Real nice all-around boat for doing just a sandbar. If you want to entertain, it's yacht certified. So this way, if you want to go out with 17 people plus, you're ready to go. They do a real nice job with this boat. So if you want to see this boat or any other boat up here, please give us a call. This is Patrick Loader with MarineMax out of Summers Point, New Jersey. This boat is on Long Beach Island. I can be reached at 609-926-0600 or 609-494-2102. If you'd like to see this boat or any other boat that we have in inventory, it's ready to go. It's in the water and can be shown by appointment only. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks for looking. We'll see you out on the water. Take care.